Come to our last part for data analysis. So we have to calculate the sales for months by month. So we can use this value counts to calculate each sales for each month. So you may find the sales for each month. Okay, so with this diagram, we know the distribution for each month. So let me explain the source code here. So this one is we calculate the distribution, the numbers for each month. And then we use the plot, PLT is this one, okay? The matplotlib to draw a subplot. And the size is 14 by 6, 14比6 the size. And also we like to draw a bar chart, 长条图. And the X is the key for CSMS. So key is here, this one. April, May, July, June, August. So key for the XX. What is for the Y? Y is the CSMS stop value. It's the value for this one. Okay, 4万多. Okay, 48,000 for the Apple. And we also to identify the color for each bar. And also you can specify the title for the diagram. X and Y label for these two axes. So you get this diagram for numbers of sales per month. And you can find from this diagram the total sale for August is much less for the rest of the 4 months. So basically we made summation, so there is not whole month for August. So maybe it's just a part of the August. Okay, so let us to check each value, each sales count for each month. So we use the data frame for each month. So we use LOT location. So slice for the months as August, June, July, all the way April. And we name the August as CSAU, June as CSJN. So you can get these 5 values. So you can see each the value for each month. This for August, for June, for July, for May, for April. Okay, for the rest of the 4 months, so they start from the first day of the month and the last day of the month, except October, well, August. August only the first day of August, and the last day for August is 13. Okay, 13号. So it's not whole month sales. So the last day for August 13th. So that's why the bar for the August is much less, much shorter than rest of the 4 months. Okay, and from this diagram you see the peak sale for the month is April. 4月卖的最多。Okay, 4月的销量是最多。So April has the highest number of sales. April 4月。 Okay, so let us to draw the diagram for each day. Okay, for sales per day in May, in April, in June, and in July. So we use the subplot also, and we use 4 by 2. There are 8 subplots. So you may see there 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 subdiagram in list diagram. Okay, so we use the row and column. So they has 4 rows and 2 columns. So you may see the difference for each subplot. 0, 0, it means like this. And what about 0, 1? It indicates this one, 0, 1. Okay. And what about 1, 0? This diagram is 1, 0, 1, 1. 2, 0, 2, 1. 3, 0, 3, 1. So you can see the difference. Okay, so for the first diagram, we draw the bar chart for each. In April, May, June, July. Yes. Okay, so to draw these 8 subdiagrams, so you can see the distribution for the day for sales in April, sales per day in May. So you can see the distribution. So in the beginning, the first 2 days for April is much higher than the rest of the day in April. What about May? What about June and July? August, they are only 13 days for the sale. And we also to show the sales per day for each month. For April, the number of sales, okay, except August. Okay, so you get this A diagram. So you know the distribution for each day of the week. So here is the step by step. You know how to generate this A diagram. Okay, so I specify by the day. Okay, how many days? 1 to 31. Okay, and the key for the day value account key, the day of the week, and also we can draw one of the diagram special. Okay, only one diagram this way. This is as same as the first part of this diagram is the same. So you may to draw rest of the diagram by yourself. Okay, so this is the key and the count for each day. So we draw the diagram for sale per day each month. So this diagram is the same as this one. Okay, so since the August is not complete sale for all days, so we not include August. So we filter the month attribute without. So this one is not equal. This is not equal. It means not equal. So please retrieve the months not equal to August. So it will retrieve August, April, May, June, and July, not August. So we name as CSNA. So we draw the CSNA, the keys and values, and we use the bar chart. Okay, so we have the distribution for these 4 months, except August, 8月. Okay, so you can see the first day of the April is sales, the most sale for rest of the date. Okay, that's all for this week's course. So next week I would like to introduce the share of total revenue per month. Okay, so we just to stop our class by here. Okay, see you guys next week. So you have to prepare your final personal report. We don't have final exam. Okay, don't forget to prepare your personal final report for our final week. Okay, see you guys next week. Bye bye. 不要忘记了去填写课程的assessment. Okay, don't forget to fill out our class assessment. Okay, 学习评量. Okay, bye bye.